Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're continuing the Higher Paper series, doing Higher Paper 2, question 22, and it's a question on surds. With a plus root 8 squared, we want to show that it can be written in this form c plus d root 2, where a and c and d are integers. So we want to find, in terms of a, an expression for c and one for d. So let's first expand that bracket. A plus root 8 times a plus root 8. We're going to get an a squared term. If you're using FOIL or the smiley, or have a look at my other videos for expanding brackets, just make sure you end up with 4 terms plus a root 8. It's a repeated bracket, so it's a root 8 again, and then root 8 squared. Collect like terms, so we've expanded there, and now we're going to simplify. A squared plus 2 lots of a root 8. I'll rearrange that in a second. And then root 8 squared is going to be 8. If you weren't sure, root 8 times root 8, same as root 64, which gets back to 8. Have a look on my channel for other videos on surds and indices. Now, because that root 8, I know, is root 4 times 2, I can see this can be 2 root 2. That's one that's worthwhile remembering if you do more of these questions, that root 8 is 2 root 2. So I've got a squared plus 2a times 2 root 2 plus 8. I'm now going to bring that together because they don't involve the root 2. A squared plus 8 plus, now let's clean this one up a bit. I've got 2 times an 8 times a 2 times a root 2. So it's going to be 4a root 2. And there I have a term that involves the root 2 and a term that doesn't. And that's what they're looking for here. A term that doesn't involve the root 2 and a term that does. So I'm going to call that c and call that up to there d. So in terms of a, to answer the question, in terms of a, c is a squared plus 8. In terms of a, d is 4a. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to continue watching this Higher Paper series. Please like, subscribe, and share this video.